In this video, I'll show you how to use RTX Voice with probably almost any Nvidia GPU. I'm currently using GTX 1070 Ti. If you don't have an RTX graphic card and you'll try to install this, you'll get this error. I will demonstrate a quick workaround. First, go to Nvidia RTX Voice page and download the app. I will leave a link in the description down below. Navigate to the location where you downloaded the exe file and just simply extract it using a 7-zip or WinRAR. Then locate the RTXVoice.nvi file in NvAFX folder. Right-click and open with Notepad or your preferred text editor. Now we will have to edit the file. Remove these 3 lines, I'll leave them in the description down below. Click delete and then save the file. Modifications are complete, let's launch the setup.exe. And as you can see, the installation is running. Successfully finished and RTX Voice is starting. Here is the panel and here you can change all the settings. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. Of course, if it helped, leave a like and consider subscribing.